1.
Alright, kill those fire callers.
An element,
Thanks,
I've
back
marked an
up.
elemental.
Yeah, I'm using my totem. Wait.
Beware. Destruction.
Bring the
Ah,
elemental
stunned
to
now.
the elementalist.
Yeah, sorry, I got it, I got it.
4,
Tranking.
3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Okay,
I need to get
elementalist
those.
now.
I did trank.
Not you, Bill.
Full
My
nuke,
target, elementalist.
Okay.
pots, whatever you got.
Got 15 seconds, get it dead.
New fire callers.
As soon as this elementalist dead, start targeting those fire callers.
Come on, come on.
Got it.
Alright, start moving. I'll pick up the boss.
Yep.
Alright, heroism, nuke.
Kiri's up.
Get that melt at the back. Melt on ours, move.
Use all your healer cooldowns, toll and stuff.
Take an
Yeah,
option down.
tanking.
Beware.
Alright guys, you've got to get back to the back of the room. Not not blocking our way.
Beware.
We can still do this.
Beware.
Pots
If
if you
you
haven't
guys
used.
want, we can just pop some raid cooldowns and walk over.
Gas tanking.
We got plenty of druids with shout.
Hand of sacrifice on Zil.
I don't have any more room to go there.
Yeah. Get me back up. No, 30 seconds. Keep Daz alive.
Beware.
Tell me if I have to down somewhere.
9 seconds.
Taunt now, Shilly.
We need to move it.
Move it
Use a
to
shout and just
Arco.
run.
Where's Sapko?
Zel tanking.
I'm down.
I've got shield wall up. Hand of sacrifice on Zel.
Oh, in box on Zell.
If you have melt, sacrifice.
And kill it.
Tranking.
Yes!
There we go.
Boom! Good job, guys. Good job.
Yeah.
Awesome job, guys. So easy fight, right? Don't know why this was
Well-
causing us so much trouble.
Seriously,
Hopefully
once we got a
it's
good,
40s.
once we got a good phase one and a good transition, that was the key.
It was. It really was.
Listen, Shiri.
Right, here is the loot.
Who needs loot? Let's go and kill Black Hand.
Right. roll for the neck if you are interested.
Yeah, I'm staying here as long as Silly is.
Gratz Danka. Roll for the boots.
What boss are we going for?
Black hand.
Black hand.
Sweet.
Going to Koya. Gratz Koya.
Dibs being on the boss.
Roll for the braces. And I guess nobody else wants them, so going for a shard. Roll for the lava dipped great helm.
I'll pass.
Okay. I'll roll for off spec unless Murph, you want it.
The helm, no, thanks.
Yeah. Right, we have 2x protector tokens.
Roll.
I see these are very popular.
Models.
Well, I have 4. This is just to upgrade one of my normals, so if anybody's got 3 out of 4, they can have it over me anyway.
Okay. Let's see. Koya, what have you got? 2-piece or 4-piece? 2, 3 or 4 rather. Okay. Liseru. Okay. Danka and Raleen. Okay. And Danka, what do you have? You got one piece. And this will give you 2-piece, will it?
Yes. Normal and heroic work together. I've got 2 heroic and 2 normal, and that makes my 4-piece.
So I will give one to myself because that's my BIS, and I'll give one to Danka.
Grats.
Gratz Danka. Gratz.
I was videoing all that as well, so I have a kill video there.
Awesome.
Yeah, I have the video too, so we have 2 power views.
Nice.
Wait, I'm gonna be on a video? I'm gonna be famous?
Yay!
Well, I wouldn't go that far.
Wow.
I don't think my mum counts as like much of a viewer.
I think she would make a lovely viewer, you know? Keep your family close, eh?
I think she'll just mock me for playing computer games.
Then I think your mom is wrong. I can come and view it.
Right. Well, this mob will blow heroism on her just to get her dead. We'll stay grouped and move as a group up the corridor towards the elevator.
Okay.
Everyone come inside the room because the doors will close behind us. And pull. And Daz will swap on 8 stacks.
Hello?
Yep. Hero. You.
Just tanking.
I am on fire.
And move.
Just tanking.
Zell tanking.
Just tanking.
Zell tanking. Easy.
Was it
Didn't even
Black
drop an
Hand?
epic.
Was it?
Yep. That's the end of a raid. Let's go home.
Where's my loot?
No loot,
Oh.
just for honor. Is this the point where I regret not watching that Black Hand Tactics video?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just thinking that too.
No way are we gonna beat Blast Furnace tonight.
Oh ye of little faith.
Could I have a
That's
couple of
it.
minutes to watch the 2-minute tips video?
Yeah, I'll link the 2-minute tips video. If you give me a moment to everybody. It'll give you a general
I've got
idea,
it.
but I'll... Oh yeah, if you link it in raid chat then, Bell.
Then maybe we'll
Can I
do
just
a
wait?
little pause, a break now.
Yep, I'm gonna put down a break timer, so if you guys haven't watched the Vox Immortalis video that I posted last week, then go watch this 2-minute tip guide. It'll be enough to get us through this.
Can I just wait for the 20-minute explanation from you, Zell?
No, go watch a video. They go hand in hand. We'll have another break, so go watch a video, and then we'll be back with fun with Black